Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll be exploring the maintenance scheduling features within ToolWorks, designed to keep your tools and equipment in top shape. Let's get started by scheduling quarterly maintenance for our forklift. First, head to the Tools tab and search for Forklift. Once Forklift shows up, click Add to Cart. Once item is in cart, click the Create Maintenance Order icon. A new maintenance order form appears. Here, we can specify all the detail of the maintenance order. Let's start with type of maintenance. There is a separate video showcasing how to create maintenance types. For this demo, we will select quarterly maintenance. We will accept default scheduled dates and leave the maintenance by field empty. Click the Schedule button to create maintenance order. You'll see a confirmation that the order was created. Let's go to Maintenance tab to see the work order. Here, we can see the newly created work order. Now that service is scheduled, we can complete it. Normally, a service is completed by service person, but for this case, we are completing it right away. Note, when a service person views the work order, they will directly see the service order details. They do not need to click Service Order. Click Service Order to service the order. Select Quarterly Maintenance, and to completed service details, click Save, then Complete button. On the Maintenance tab, you should see status of work order change from pending to completed. Click on the order to view details. Here we can see the history of the maintenance. Now that we completed the service, we can schedule next maintenance for next quarter. Steps are similar to steps performed earlier. Provide details of type of maintenance and service order details. The dates of scheduled maintenance are set for the next quarter. Once new work order has been scheduled, you can click on the Maintenance tab to view details. ToolWorks also provides a timeline view of maintenance orders, giving you a visual representation of upcoming and past maintenance across all of your tools. That's a quick look at the maintenance scheduling features within ToolWorks. It's all about keeping your tools running smoothly and minimizing downtime. Thanks for watching.